Hi there. In this video, we will go over the usage of product components to help us manage pricing and specifications. First, we need to access the product list module. To do so, please take the following steps. First, open your left navigation menu. Expand the inventory menu option by clicking on it. Click on the product list menu item. Now we need to choose the item we would like to edit. To open item's details, click the name link. Then head to the Components section. In this section, we can add components and parts to our item which will have impact on its price and physical characteristics. To include the component, click the Add Component button. First, we would need to select the type of the component we're adding. Please note that components will only influence the final pricing if the manual cost checkbox is turned off. Otherwise, the price will be derived from the manual cost entered in the cost field. In this tutorial, we're going to add the metal component of platinum. In the Components column, you can add the product which will be used for this specification, but in our case, we will not need that. We will also add $500 to the cost of our product by populating the cost field since we added platinum. This will update the item's price. With added components, we essentially updated our item and its cost. Click Save in the top right corner to save your progress. That's it for the guide for Components section in the item details. Thanks for watching.